Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you some of the basic controls for Blox Fruits on PC so you can get started playing. So just like most PC games, you're going to use your WASD keys to move around, and you're going to use your spacebar to jump. To move your camera around, you want to hold down the right mouse button and then move around your mouse. You can also move your camera in and out by using the scroll wheel. Now in Blox Fruits, you're able to do a double jump by double tapping space, and you can dash by tapping Q. But both of those take up energy, as you can see in the bottom corner. Now let's get into some of the combat controls. To switch between your different weapons and fruits, you want to use your number keys. And then to use the special abilities that those weapons have, you want to use the Z, X, and C keys. Now let's say I want to go and fight one of these guys up here. What I would do is hold down my right mouse click so I can move my camera around. And then I would just spam the left click button so I can attack. You can also throw in some of your special abilities. So there we go, there are some of the basic controls to get you started. If you have any other ideas for videos, let me know in the comments, and if this video ended up helping you, a like and subscribe would be greatly appreciated.